and that is correct. So now we need to actually do something constructive here. So we're going to make a session variable called username. We're going to set it equal to the post username. So now we have the username as a session, which is a global variable. But in order for them to work, you need to put session start at the very beginning of the PHP page. Next, we're going to set a session variable. What's a good name? Let's just call it status, or login status. Status would be better. Equals true. And then we need it to redirect to the login, well, not the login page, but the page we're trying to protect, which case is going to be the index.php. So now if we refresh this page, we get the index.php, and it just says secret stuff. So let's go back to open up a new file and call it index.php if you haven't already. And this is all I have so far. So at the very top, you need to enter a block of PHP code. First, we're going to need that session start variable, function, not variable, and we need to check if the session, what was it, login status, if it's set, and let's just check if it is true, just in case. And that's all we need. If that's set, then well, we don't want it to do anything right now. Don't really need it to do anything, but else we need to have it redirect the browser to the login page. So login.php. So now this page should be pretty much secure. Let's also enter the, remember how we have the session username? Well, we can print it to this the title actually, and have a pretty nice title with their personal username and such. So, well, we need to put print in front of it. Okay, so now if you refresh the page, you get welcome admin, which is the user. And since it did not redirect us, then we are successfully logged in. Now we need to also make a logout. So let's go back to our functions.php and make another function. We're going to call it log_out. No parameters. And this is very simple. You just unset _session, which will unset all the session variables, and then you want to session_destroy. So the easiest way to call this function is to have it in the login.php. So whenever they click the logout on the index page, it'll take them to login.php, and it will do this little bit of code. So if is set, well, if you don't understand what I'm saying just yet, just wait a few seconds. If get status is set, and if get status equals log out, or log out rather, that'd be simpler. then it will execute this code, which is the variable, the function. Else it will do absolutely nothing. And the way you set this and the way you make this variable equals logout is by simply making a hyperlink. So it's going to redirect to login.php question mark what was it, status equals log out. So if you click log out, then it will take you to login.php with the get variable status, which equals log out. So if you refresh the index.php page, click log out, it should take you right here. But how do you know if you're logged out? Well, if you try to go back to the index.php page, it should redirect you to login.php, which it did. Now, to make sure it's all working properly, let's just try it one more time. Admin password. You're in the index page. Let's try to go to the login page. Then back to the index page. And we can. Let's try log out. Now, one more time, let's try to go to index.php. And it won't let us. So, I hope you like this tutorial. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks.